Hello beautiful people, today we are at task number 11 inside Burp Suite Basics, which is part of the complete beginner module that we are doing. As I said yesterday, my watch just arrived. I'm pretty excited about it. It's a TSOT. I can't show it really well, but I opened it up here. It's a TSOT every time Seismatic 40 millimeters. Here is the model. A crazy number. So basically this is it. I think it's pretty elegant and I'll just love it. This is the back of the watch, so actually you can see this. I think we have a picture. No, we don't. But this is the back of the watch. You can see the mechanism going. Pretty amazing stuff, right? All right. That being said, we finished with that. Let's open Burp and we can continue reading. Task number 11, the Burp Suite browser. If the previous tasks seemed overly complex, rest assured this topic will be a lot simpler. In addition to modifying our regular web browser to work with the proxy, Burp Suite also includes a built-in Chromium browser that is pre-configured to use the proxy without any of the modifications we just had to do. So basically we don't need to install Foxy Proxy, we don't need to configure our browser to catch the Burp proxy. We can use the built-in proxy, the built-in browser from Burp. So we go to the proxy tab and we can leave intercept on, off, whatever. I'll go off and open browser, right? Proxy intercept, open browser. Here we get an error because we use the attack box. And in order to open the browser from the attack box, we have to go proxy settings, Burp browser, and here. Allow Burp browser to run without a sandbox. After we click that option, we go again into proxy intercept, open browser. We wait for it to open and we see here, in addition to modifying regular request, right? So we just, we can use our Burp browser without any configuration. To start the Burp browser, click the open browser button in the proxy tab. A Chromium window will pop up and any request made in the browser will go through the proxy. So as you can see, the browser is up and we have interception off. Now let's go to this and say here TryHackMe. We jump on TryHackMe official website. Now we check again Burp. We go to HTTP history, or we can go to target to see the tree, the entire tree of the requested website. And finally we have our TryHackMe website. Or as I said, in the proxy HTTP history, we can check it out over here. No, there are many settings related to Burp browser in the project options and user option settings. Make sure to explore and customize them as needed. However, if you are running Burp Suite on Linux as the root user, is in the case of with the attack box, you may encounter an error preventing a Burp Suite from starting due to inability to create a sandbox environment. Yes, we dealt with that. There are two simple solutions to this. Smart option, create a new user and run Burp Suite with a low privilege account to allow Burp Suite to run without issues. And easy option, go to settings, tool burps and check allow Burp's browser to run without a sandbox option. Enabling this option will allow the browser to start without a sandbox. However, please be aware that this option is disabled by default for security reasons. If you choose to enable it, exercise caution, as compromise the browser could grant the attacker access to your entire machine. In the training environment of the attack box, this is unlikely to be a significant issue, but use it responsibly. Answer the questions below. Click me to proceed to the next task. So this was a beautiful, fast room. As you saw, from proxy intercept proxy is off. We open the built-in or the proprietary browser of Burp and we just navigate it here. As you can see, you have two options. We go to settings, tools, Burp browser, as you saw, or just hit proxy, and here we have proxy settings. We go Burp browser and boom, we just click this. The simplest solution. Or we can create a new user and run Burp again in low privileges, right? Because the new user will not be root. Okay, So that's it. See you in the next one. Bye.